Today, we're installing one of our customers' homes, some Primacoustic paneling to kind of deaden the echo, make it a little more enjoyable to talk, to listen to music, to work out in the gym, to play basketball, soccer, the whole 9 yards. And so we're gonna be placing these Primacoustic panels throughout the entire space to deaden the sound. And that's what we're doing today. Here's the clap test to see. This is before. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're doing multiples. Oh!
Do it again, but let it go until the sound dissipates.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right here, we've got 4 that are gonna be going around this area. And we've thrown our laser up. We're gonna set the top of each of them at that height of these 4 in these kind of 4 corners of this space. And then we've got some that'll go up in the peaks as well. But we've got our laser. We're gonna set our first one so that everyone can enjoy how the work is done. All I'm doing right now is I wanna see what we've got behind the wall here. Because we're gonna set 4 impalers basically in each corner of these. These are 2x4 panels. So if we go there, our 4-foot mark is basically gonna put that panel, the bottom here. So we're gonna wanna put, and they're 2 feet wide, which is just basically a little smaller than this space. So we'll put one here, here, there, and there. And it's not super imperative that they're like exactly in the same spot, because the exactness needs to be the spacing of the actual panel, and the impalers are just there to suck it to the wall. So these are the impalers right here. These just mount to the wall in all 4 corners like we were just talking about. And then if you can see, they're very spiky and painful. Ouch. And the back of the panels are made to it's kind of foam material that this sucks down on and it'll pull tight. Hand me that, Mr. the Panel. Not you, these 2 yahoos just standing here.
I'm just trying not to get a shot, bro.
You can do a shot.
I feel like I need to get the lighting the lens on here.
Effort. Okay, so I'm gonna start about 1 inch high because that is.
Level on that, Johnson.
I'm gonna put my level on it.
Good.
Just gotta get it out of my pocket. That way go. And then as you push it down, check your distances. And there you go.
Holy cow, that's like nice.
Isn't that pretty fantastic? Next up, the wall panels. To make our lives easier, we created this cardboard template so that we can mark out where to drill our holes for the impalers. This makes for a consistent installation across all 42 panels. T-O-P. We have our template. So that's where we're gonna mark all of our anchors and we'll put them all in. Should make it a lot faster than doing it manually every single time. Because we like to work harder, not smarter. I mean smarter, not harder. The key is making sure the spacing is correct. A good laser is critical to get this right. We spent a fair bit of time laying out the design before the first screw even went into the wall, just to ensure that we got the spacing perfect. There were a lot of variables we had to work around between the hoop, the speakers on the walls, windows, and ducting throughout the space. The walls and ceilings were so high we used rolling scaffolding to access the space. A lift would have been really nice, but it would have been pretty tough getting into the space and not damaging the floors. We even went so far as to put down drop cloths and hardboard to make sure there was no chance of scratching those hardwood floors. In total, we installed 42 wall panels. It took about 2 days, but it was a really fun project to watch come together panel by panel. And on top of all that, we got a great lat workout climbing up and down the scaffolding 100 times a day.
You like this angle?
Oh, it's only 48 hours later, but we almost done.
With the walls, at least.
And then we gotta
do the ceiling.
Ceilings are gonna see like 2 days worth of work.
All right, final panel after 2 full days of work. We're finally here.
All right, that's plenty.
Plenty down.
Yep.
perfectly level, as always. All right, right now we need to get to the very top level of the scaffolding, but obviously we need to have a full platform up there since it's super high up. So right now we're just moving around the pieces, trying to get them to fit properly, but it isn't working so well, so.
With hardwood floors and a massive drywall ceiling, we needed acoustic treatments above as well. These panels were the hardest of all, as we were maxed out on the scaffolding and it was a very long straight line. Again, that laser came in clutch, as even the slightest deviation would have completely thrown off our straight line across that 75 feet of ceiling.
Clap test.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hey. How you feel?
I'm tired.
It's been a long week,
Yep.
but we done.
In all, we installed 42 wall panels and 26 ceiling panels. It took the better part of a week, but you can actually talk and listen to music and work out in the gym without endless reverb. The client is super happy, and so are we.